Yeah. I'm on that Betty, man. Turn around, do the head dance, stand up. I'm gonna show you how you do that head dance. Throw your legs up, down, spin around. We gon' get down, I say get naughty. We gon' do a slam dunk in this bitch like it's party time. The West Side. All I know is getting money, never strange, man. Man, you see that ice fit behind it, playing man. Dang. Shine be really killing the shit. These niggas better feel the shit, cause whoops, I'm gon' carry ya. I show you how you bust them tongue toys, show you how you make noise in your hood. You better be a hella killer hood now. When you see me come around, all I wanna do is get that money, hit that push now. And I be chillin', fuck that, keep that pack. All I know is getting money, doing the lift your legs out, lift your legs out. And throw your arms out, and throw your arms out, and then you turn around, and then you take it back down to the ground. So do you hear me now? So do you hear me now? I be fucking wildin' out. I'm so fucking sick of this, that these bitches, they make me shout. Rah, call me ridiculous, incredible hope. I'ma walk you in this. I want you to feel this, man. All I know is getting money to the leg days. Into the leg days. I say, man, sucker. Yeah, see, I take a quick breather, man.